See you in New York.
See you probably in Miami. We'll see. We'll see.
I'm in my trekking suit today because I've been working on this tuxedo challenge, if you've seen last episode. Anyway, I am doing all that exercise with Fabio, my personal trainer. You've already seen him. I've been doing also roughly 20,000 steps. I'm filming this just after I did 20,000 steps. And besides that, I'm on my 4th day of doing a prolonged fast. Let's see if I have the energy to go on. Anyway, let's see. I'm going to start the trip. Let me ask quickly, hey, future Alex, did you arrive in New York? Oh yes, Alex, from the past. I arrived safe and sound to New York. Here I am by Radio City. I'm glad you arrived in New York. So for status update, New York, here we are. By the way, let me ask a couple of things more to future Alex. Hey, future Alex, when I left Lisbon, we were at 990 subscribers. Did we reach 1,000? On that, good news. I landed, I checked the subscriber count, and 1,000! Congratulations! This trip had a layover in Munich. Hey, future Alex, did you go to Munich? Did you get out of the airport or you stayed all time in the airport? Hi Fabio, ready to start the trip?
Let's go.
Yeah, here we are at the Lisbon airport, about to embark to Munich. We've got a stop over there, 6 hours. Very early, as you can see. Eggs for you. I'll go for the pastel de nata. Munich. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, Alex from the past. I managed to get out of the airport and go into downtown Munich, and now I'm just returning back to the airport. So it allowed to get me like 1 hour just to see the central spot. I love Munich. I'm glad to know that. So here we are, and let's go on, and I'll let the future Alex finish the video and publish it. That will be 3 cruises in a row. First one, Odyssey of the Seas. Hi, Fernando. Finally. So tomorrow is the big day. I'm starting all these flights and the 3 cruises.
How many?
3 cruises. Well,
3
you booked
cruises?
them.
Yeah, I remember. 3 cruises on the road. Yeah,
Wow.
amazing.
So, and you know that I'm not flying direct to New York now. So I'm going to do a layover in Munich. And in Munich, I'm going to see my great friend, Joseph, of the Instagram Cruising For You. Hi, Fernando. Look who I have here.
Hi, Fernando. I can't wait to see you again.
Yeah,
Greetings from the Marienplatz in Munich.
I've been last time with Joseph on the
Sun Princess, I think.
Sun Princess, yeah, in Barcelona. Yeah.
Cruising For You, the best Instagram channel on cruising.
Oh, thank you so much, Alex. It's a pleasure to see you here in Munich.
Let's keep going.
And maybe one time on a cruise ship. Yeah.
Yeah, one time.
Yeah.
So we can count 2.
2? Well,
Yeah,
3.
me and you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and Joseph.
And Joseph, yeah?
Hi, Joseph. We'd like an espresso with Alex. Maybe the next time. I don't know if you are going to Miami next week for the christening of NYC World America. If you go,
Oh,
please.
that must be awesome to see the
Yes.
World America
And the new terminal.
And Ocean Key and the new
And your
terminal.
terminal, yes.
Definitely.
Yeah,
So,
well, my best customer, client, as you know. And I hope you continue to book with our service in my office.
and as I always say, I recommend using travel agent because the companies don't know anything about you and you want to benefit the perks in all the different companies. So yeah, I'll put in the link below, Global C, that it can support you with all European and world travel. With
And
this.
sometimes it gives some kind of surprises, Alex. And I tell you later some surprises that you'll have. But
Well, one that you gave me was the Explorer, the third in a row, with 0% supplement.